call you if I can't find you. Okay.
Mischa, are you going to pet the little animal? Are you going to pet the little goat, Mish? Yeah.
Jimmy, a deer behind you.
Mischa, which one do you want to pet?
Just like Moose, Juliana.
Except that they're nice. They're just as nice as moose. They're just their manners aren't as good.
Don't throw it down, Jimmy. Let him eat it.
Get out of my way. That's my food.
Mischa, what's up? Mischa, you put your hand down? Put your hand flat. You want to feed the goat? You want to feed the goat? Okay, put your hand flat. Like this. Alright. No, don't close your hand. Keep it open. Nope. Keep it open. Mischa. No. Keep it open like this.
See the duckies, Jimmy.
See that? Can you do that? Put your hand flat, Mish.
Really?
Okay, don't, no. Like this. Eat it. Like this. No, don't let it take it. Hey. Mischa, which one? Go ahead, baby. Okay, go over there. Show him over there. Hey. Oops. Wait, Mischa. Mish, wait.